Today in this video we will see how to convert your Facebook account into professional mode. This is my Facebook professional mode. You can easily convert your any Facebook account into professional mode by some simple step. First step is update your Facebook account and just go your profile, then click on here. You can see three dot option, just click on and scroll down. Here you can see turn off professional mode, just follow some simple step. Here you can see read and just click on turn on and just do some simple step. Here you can see three step. First step is add your website and share one post, and just scroll down, just click on any option and let's see. Here you can see just do some setting, just click on and save, go back. First step is create, second step is create any post, just click on any post on your Facebook profile and just go back and add your social media account. This is the requirement of the convert your Facebook account into professional mode. Just do some setting and just click on public and save and refresh this page. Here you can see two step is done. Second step is and add your website link or any other platform social media ad link. Just this is the simple process to convert your Facebook account into professional mode, and just refresh this and finally successfully create your Facebook professional mode. Here you can see different, see dashboard and other. This is amazing and out class. Just click on see dashboard. Here you can see reach and new follower, visit your Facebook profile. You can easily see in the professional mode. If you like this video, share with friend, and if you want to watch all Facebook tips and tricks video related to Facebook, just click my description link and also check playlist on Facebook. And if you have any queries, just comment below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.